Seeing the Big Picture by Mika Hughes. Why do we fail to see the big picture? Janice Letourneau speaks in her book about failing to see the big picture because we're paying partial attention. But what does that even mean? It means in an effort to multitask our lives, we never give anything our full attention. Just an example, the other day my daughter was doing gymnastics and they were learning a new gymnastics technique, and I was so concerned with upcoming graduation dinners that I completely missed it. Of course, she could do it all over again, but that's not the point. The point is that I missed it and I had to depend on other um, parents to marvel at her and like, hey, did you see it? Did you miss it? What's going on? Da da da. So of course she did it again, but I missed the first part. So in an effort to multitask, a lot of times we are distracted. Um, so we can not see the full picture simply because we can't focus. Our focus is off. And like in an effort to multitask, nothing gets your full attention. So that's something that I have to be mindful of to give things my full attention and to prioritize. How great can you be? How do you intend to get there? And what is holding you back? A person can be as great as they want to be. Um, it's such a simple answer for such a complex question, but the only way to be great is to realize that you have to structure your priorities, and that is essential. I have a clearer focus now ever since I've been taking this course because it reminds me that I'm imperfect and it's okay. I'm not made to multitask and that's okay as well. And that I should make myself a priority and that's definitely okay. And I realized that fear has been plaguing my life for so long. It has hindered me from pursuing and accomplishing many things in my life. That this class has made me realize that fear has been the forefront of me not accomplishing a lot of my goals and being afraid of the outcome, not being able to control the outcome, and the fear of failing has been a major push in my life. What are your priorities? Well, my priorities is sitting on God, my myself, and then family. And I put God first because God is always first. He shows love. He is love. So if I don't put Him first, I can't know how to love. And then I put myself before my family because now I realize that if I'm not healthy in all aspects of my life, that means mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually, then I'm failing everyone. I'm failing myself, I'm failing God, and I'm failing my family. My family is the most important, um, one of the most important priorities of mine because it shows me tangible evidence of God's love and it's where I make the most impact. Where is your opportunity to make a difference? How are you accomplishing this? I feel like everywhere you go and everything you do provides an opportunity to make a difference. It can be as simple as just a casual smile when you're sitting at the light and you look over at someone or saying good morning and genuinely meaning good morning with a smile. My desire is that I am never the person that breaks the straw that breaks the camel back, so to speak. I never want to be that person that could change a situation to make it more negative than what it already is. I desire that I be the person like my dad and that can just make you smile in any situation or make you laugh in any situation no matter how hard it is. Do you believe that you have reached your full potential? Why or why not? The answer to that question is no. No, because when you limit yourself, when you limit your potential, you place boundaries on learning, and there's always something new to learn. You should always be willing to expand. And even in the book Finding the Space to Lead, Janet Marciano states that you should remove expectations from all the past experiences that you have. And in doing that, by doing that alone, I think that we embrace the potential, we're embracing potential new heights that we've never reached before by gaining new revelations, even the cold experiences. So always learn from something old. There's a potential to learn something new or a new experience